Hi, my name's Kim and welcome to our Robertson home development here at Calderwood. We're building 70 units on this development of 4, 5 and 6 bedroom family homes. The local area is great. There's lots of different things going on. So we've got the primary school in the area, there are shops and cafes all going to be located in the town centre of the development. Out with, we've got Jupiter Artland, which is great for outdoor walks with families. There's also some local dog walks in the area. Close by, we've also got the shopping centre, which is Livingston Designer Outlet. Great for a day out, a nosy around the shops and something to eat. If you want to go a bit further afield, you can go into Edinburgh City Centre, again for shopping or for some historic castle visits. We're also very close to the airport here too, which is great for travel links. So with Robertson Homes being a family-run business, I would say the family area in our floor plans are most important to me. There's lots of space if you're working from home, if you have family coming to visit, but also with our garden rooms, with the cathedral windows, it lets so much light into the area, which is great. We offer such high quality kitchens and fittings in the house, which you can come and choose down here on the development. You can have a look at all of the samples and touch and feel and just make sure that the house is exactly what you would hope it could be. So if you do want to come and visit us, you can contact me on the phone, you can drop me an email, and we also have a live chat feature too, whichever is easiest for you.